Flashlights and LED candles as if they were torches. Banners showing their support to the new Nobel Peace Laureate, Maria Corina Machado. This specifically is the one that took the streets of downtown Madrid, an opportunity where the concentrated expressed their desire that after the prize is awarded to Machado, things might change in Venezuela. While the hope of everyone involved in the march is that Machado can receive the Nobel in person, there are still some doubts about it. Contacted by CNN, the Nobel Institute informed that they spoke to her this Friday night, and she assured that would attend the ceremony in Oslo. Now, they don't know how and when she would get to Norway. That's why the doubt will only be cleared up next Wednesday when the Nobel is presented at the Oslo City Hall.
And David Ellison is saying that all this is going to come out in public, that his messages with WBD CEO David Zaslav will be shared. Ellison is out there today seeking press and PR, seeking to make this pitch directly to shareholders. He's even set up a website called strongerhollywood.com in order to pitch shareholders on his bid. But notably, he is not raising the price from where he was at last week. He was offering $30 per share last week privately. Now he's doing the same thing publicly. WBD, which owns CNN, has not publicly responded to this hostile takeover bid. But my sense behind the scenes is that both WBD and Netflix will stay the course and will argue that actually in combination, in totality, Netflix's offer is superior. That's because Netflix is only making a bid for Warner Brothers and HBO, for those entertainment assets, not for CNN or other linear TV channels. If you add it all together, WBD believes it's valued at more than $30 per share. So what we might be seeing here is the second or third inning of the baseball game. We might be in a situation where Paramount will be pressured now to make an even higher bid, and we'll see what happens on that front. At the moment, the ball's back in WBD's court to see if the company has any public response to this hostile takeover bid. But normally this now sets up a tug of war. It's going to be a corporate tug of war, and it really is something right out of succession.
Well, that's got to go through a process, and we'll see what happens. Netflix is a great company, and they've done a phenomenal job. Ted is a fantastic man. I have a lot of respect for him, but it's a lot of market share. So we'll have to see what happens.